The future of driving is electric, and it's getting more affordable by the day. Welcome to a game-changing development in the world of electric vehicles. A groundbreaking study by Recurrent has revealed that by 2030, replacing an electric vehicle battery could cost less than repairing the engine of a gas-powered car. This news is set to shake up the automotive industry and accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles worldwide. Let S break down the numbers. Goldman Sachs projects that by 2026, battery prices will plummet to $80 per kilowatt hour. That's half of what they cost in 2023. But it doesn't stop there. Some estimates suggest prices could go as low as $32 per kilowatt hour. Imagine the savings. Over the past 3 years, we've already seen battery costs cut in half. And this trend shows no signs of slowing down. What does this mean for you? If you're considering an electric vehicle, your long-term savings could be substantial. Not only will you save on fuel costs, but major repairs could also become more affordable than their gas-powered counterparts. This shift in costs is a game-changer for the EV market. It addresses one of the main concerns potential buyers have had, the cost of battery replacement. With this barrier removed, we could see a surge in EV adoption, leading to cleaner cities and a healthier planet. The future of driving is not just electric, it's becoming more accessible and affordable. As battery technology continues to advance, the benefits of owning an electric vehicle are set to multiply. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development in the world of sustainable transport.